Or they cast, so to speak.
Very laissez-faire.
What do you regret? Do you have a regret in life? I'm coming back to it. Let's talk about regrets, because apparently decision making can also be linked to regrets, and we are regretting more. What are we regretting more? Si, mais c'est ça. On dit en anglais, we say the grass is greener on the other side. So it seems like we also regret kind of like things because we think, oh, there's a cat drinking out of the pool. I don't know, there's chlorine in it. That's not good. Hello?
Il y a du chlore dedans.
Yeah, kitty catty. Coucou. Non, non. C'est pas bon. Oh, she looks.
Stop.
Stop. I don't think she understands if you say stop. There is chlorine in the pool. It's bad for you. Okay, we saved the cat. The cat is saved. So, now I have it. So, decisions, so regrets and decisions. So, apparently, decisions that led to a poor outcome. So, let's say you bought a car, and I talk a lot about car buying at the moment, I know, but that was one of the decisions I had to make. So, say you bought a car, and it leads to a bad outcome because the car is not working properly. You regret it more if you made the decision very kind of like quickly without consulting others. So we're not talking through, we're not getting more information. So decisions that led to a poor outcome where you feel you didn't do everything like before kind of like lead to regret. So and I think that's why a lot of us are paralyzed by making decisions, because we're so fearful of regretting it later that we rather go and not making a decision, which is also a decision. And then we have the circle. Can anybody follow me, or am I too crazy today? Maybe I'm too crazy. Cats, hello. Okay, now I'm making the link. We have the last link, so number 4, my point number 4 when it comes to decision making is values. That's also kind of like linking to regrets, but apparently we also regret decisions where we felt it was not really linked to our values. So we of course have this ideal version of ourselves, and if we feel this hasn't come through, or it has not connected to what really matters to us, that's where it gets tricky. So if you have to make a decision, it's also good to maybe remind yourself, what are your top values, and really go through that list. There are so many. If you just put it into a search machine, you will see there's so many like values you can see, and really reflect a bit what matters to you. So at the very end, if I have to make a decision, I always try to see, is this also in line with my own values? Because long term, of course, it also helps you. So let's summarize. Not making a decision is a decision. Biases, mental shortcuts. What are you falling for? And just checking that. Number 3, regrets and decision making. So don't be paralyzed by that. Really, think about being brave, so to speak. And number 4, link it to your values. That often also helps you. And I think if you go through these things, then decision making becomes a little easier. Again, there's some people who love making decisions and some people who don't like it, but I think we can all help ourselves to navigate through life a bit more. Thank you so much, and see you next time.